1.
Good day, U.S. history students. Mr. Deegan here with another edition of VidNotes videos. We're on to lesson 1 of Unit 4, our learning target. I will understand how America developed its first political parties. Today, we have the elephants, the Republican Party, and the donkeys, the Democratic Party in the United States. But back in the 1700s, the parties were different. The start of political parties. Different views of economic and foreign policy issues led to the development of the first American political parties in the 1790s. It was about money. It was about how America wanted to view and interact with the world. The first opposition party. Controversy over the Federalists' support for the Bank of the United States, the Jay Treaty, and the undeclared war on France contributed to the emergence, meaning start, of an organized opposition party called the Democratic Republicans, led by Thomas Jefferson and James Madison, these two Virginians who were good friends and wanted to support France in this war, not Britain, but it gets complicated. The Jay Treaty. What is the Jay Treaty? The Jay Treaty was signed in 1795 by Supreme Court Chief Justice John Jay, and there he is in his Supreme Court justice gown. And this treaty prevented another war with Britain. We had just gotten done with a war with Britain, so why start another one? That's what President George Washington said. The election of 1800. The presidential election of 1800, won by Thomas Jefferson, was the first American presidential election in which power was peacefully transferred from one political party to another. First president, George Washington, he was a Federalist. Second president, John Adams, he was also from the Federalist Party. But Thomas Jefferson, the third president, was from a different political party. He defeated John Adams in the election of 1800. You see, in green are all of the states won by Thomas Jefferson, and in red, all of the states won by John Adams. Jefferson wins 53% to 47%. The Federalists. The Federalists, led by second President John Adams and Alexander Hamilton, who died before he became president, or died before he could become president, typically believed in a strong national government and a commercial economy. The Federalists were supported by bankers and business interests in the Northeast. There's a banker, and there is the Northeast, New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Massachusetts, etc. The Democratic Republicans, the opposition party. The Democratic Republicans believed in a weak national government and an agricultural economy. They were supported by farmers, there's a farmer, artisans, those who made handmade crafts, there's someone making pottery, and frontier settlers in the South. There's the South, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, etc. This was Jefferson's political party. This was not Washington's. We are almost done, ladies and gentlemen. Please think of 2 questions you would like to ask about what you just learned, and then write them down. When you're done with that, you are done with 4-1. Until next time, this is Mr. Deegan reporting for D226 News, signing off.